Hello. So in this video we are going to discuss the concept of Rithik. What do I mean by Rithik is HRITHIK. So basically this is Nifty 50 chart in front of me, and Nifty 50 is an index that we all know. The weightage of each stock in Nifty 50 index is very important as it determines the overall performance of the index. So obviously a company with a higher weightage in the index will have a greater impact on the index movement compared to the company. So whenever you are trading any indices, Nifty 50 especially, you need to have look at certain stocks, and that stocks the bundle of that stock is called as Rithik. So I made a watch list called as Rithik. So let us see what does it contain. So H stands for HDFC Limited. R stands for Reliance. Reliance has the biggest weightage in Nifty 50. Okay, so HRI is ITC, T is TCS, again H is HDFC Bank, I is Infi, and K is Kotak. So all these 7 stocks have a greater weightage on the Nifty's performance. So how do we utilize this knowledge while trading Nifty? So once the market opens, what you have to do is you have to just quickly glance through this Rithik watch list, and you have to see what are these heavyweights doing. So likewise in today's session, Reliance was down around 2%, which was like gap down only was 1%, followed by HDFC and HDFC Bank. So all these three are absolute heavyweights in the Nifty. So in the 15 minutes of market opening, if you see these heavyweights are underperforming, that will certainly going to have an impact on Nifty. All right. So once the market open, just glance through this Rithik list and see if more than 50% of the stocks in this Rithik list, if they are outperforming or underperforming. And that way you will have one idea that how the day is going to pan out. If majority of the stocks are bearish, you can expect Nifty to underperform or Nifty to remain bearish for the day. If more than 50% of these heavyweights are performing well, then Nifty can be stabilized for the day. Okay, likewise, if all the stocks are in green, then Nifty will be strong for the particular day. Likewise, another criteria to compare this Rithik with the Nifty is that 50 EMA. So currently Nifty is today it was little weak, but Nifty is way above 50 EMA, daily 50 EMA. Let us see in the Rithik stocks which stocks are there which are above 50 EMA and below 50. So Reliance is one stock which is above 50 EMA. HDFC is, I believe it is below 50 EMA. Same is the case with the HDFC Bank, even it is below 50 EMA. ITC is stronger, which is above 50 EMA. TCS is also above 50 EMA. Infi is taking resistance at 50 EMA, and Kotak is above 50 EMA. So it is like 50-50. Okay. So once you have this, the percentage going on the either side, that means if more than 50% of the stocks are trading below 50 EMA, then even that is a bearish sign. Vice versa, if more than 50% of the Rithik stocks are trading above 50 EMA, so that is considered as a stronger sign. So that is how one can use this concept of Rithik in day-to-day trading and have a look at Rithik stocks to make your view and trade indices accordingly. Thank you.